Welcome back. It's art time class. Today I'm joined with Buddy the Bird, and we are going to show you how to do an accordion fold cutout. Let's get started. You're going to need a strip of paper. Here I have a strip of copy paper I've already cut. When you are cutting your paper, be sure to always have your scissors faced in front of you, and you open and close your scissors, bringing the paper towards you to cut your strip. This height, this length, is the height as high or tall as it can be, okay? So keep that in mind when you're cutting your strips. You're going to need to do an accordion fold. To do that, you're going to fold in one direction and then change directions. So it creates like a zigzag fold. I like to use my table and fold up and then flip my paper and fold up. Some students like to fold under, some even like to hold it and line up their fingers and do this. It's really up to you. Here I have a little extra piece. I can cut that, or I can use it to add more paper and like glue another strip. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. To do the heart shape, we're gonna need like a triangle here at the bottom. At the top is like an M or a W shape. I like to turn it upside down and do like a W shape. Like that. So that's as tall as it will be. I could bring this up and it be taller. Looks fine. All right, let's go ahead and cut. You notice how my paper, I'm rotating it when I'm cutting. I'm not going to turn my scissors. I'm going to turn my paper. Let's cut from this side. Very nice. I'm going to keep the paper neat to the side here. When I open it, voila. Ta-da! Isn't that nice? To do the human shape when we're doing this, here's like a really long strip I've been working on. You're going to draw a triangle at the bottom. Okay. Then you're going to keep this attached. So that's like shoes or feet. So I'm going to do a little line here and here and come up for the legs. I can come up for the body and out for the arms. You want them to look like they're holding hands. So be sure the hands go all the way off that edge, okay, that folded edge. Next is the head. I recommend adding at least a little neck and doing some sort of circle shape for the head. Then you'll cut that out. And if you have a lot of layers of paper, be sure to go slow with your scissors. You might even have to cut some of them and then fold the others up and cut the other part of it. Here is a bigger example of the project, and I actually added some decorations to it. So it's up to you if you want to decorate it. Here's some upset and some are happy. They're all holding hands. Till next time, class, be sure to keep being creative. It's fun. Hearts are a lot easier. Start with a simple shape, or maybe even something abstract. Keep being creative.